Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a free, attractive YouTube thumbnail for your own YouTube videos. If you do that way you're going to attract more audience to your videos. Once somebody is in the video, nobody is going to leave that video as soon as you think. So how are we going to attract them? In the end of this video, I'm also going to give you some really big tips that will help you to make the perfect YouTube thumbnail. So to create a free YouTube thumbnail, all you have to go to a website called canva.com. Right in the Canva and go to canva.com. In here we have already made designs. So what you have to do in here in the search bar, write the YouTube thumbnail, write YouTube and go for the YouTube thumbnail option, click on it. As you get inside YouTube thumbnails, you'll get pre-designed thumbnails which you can use, or you can create your own thumbnail. For in case if you want to use something by yourself, all you have to do is select any particular design. For example, in my case, I'm selecting this design, so I'll go on this and click on the picture. So it will get me to a new dashboard. So in here, I'm all in control in an editable software. So in an editable software, what you have to understand, on the left side, you have templates. First, you can change the templates. It's easy. If you want to change them, just drag and drop in the corner side. So that way, you're gonna just change the template. If you want to bring it back, add the same template, bring it back. So you can choose. There are free templates, but there are exclusive premium templates as well if you want to use, but mostly the free ones are better ones. So in the second option, we have got the upload. So if you want to upload your own any YouTube style design or whatever, you want to upload your own image to make them appear here, I'll show you how it happens. In the third option, you have got photos, which you have photos of video. You can search any photo in here, food or cell phone or whatever you want, or select any one of them. They are totally free to use for your videos. That's the so amazing thing. In elements, you can again get so much out of elements. There are thousands of elements, especially I use this one. This is kind of pointing out at something. There are a lot of one. You just have to write down the element name and there you go. And the other option, you have text. So you are just going to drag and drop the text in the same manner we have drag and drop the picture. You can select the any design if you want. For example, if you think this one is cool, just drag and drop the kind of this one, the written, and kind of edit according to your needs. So I don't want it. All I have to do is Command X and that would be deleted. In the video section, you're going to also, if you want to edit small videos, you can also select free videos and use them in your, but this is not for YouTube thumbnail, so keep this out of this. So in background, you can also use background if you want to build something on something. For example, if you want a clean white background, you got a clean black background and the colorful backgrounds. And except that background, you have also different textures, blur lighting, the wood color. There are a lot of options. They are really wonderful if you want to build something that is mostly word written. Let's go and make a YouTube thumbnail now, attractive thumbnail. So the first rule of making attractive thumbnail is first make sure upload a picture that is relative to that video. For example, in my case, if I'm using this video, so this picture, this one is Galaxy Z Flip or whatever. So if I drag that and bring it in here, or for example, if I want to copy what I do, I think this texture is pretty cool for me. I'm gonna copy this texture. Okay, copy it, Control C, and that way I'm gonna change the background. If I think I don't want this background, I want my own background, I'm gonna change the background. And look, this looks perfect to me. I didn't like the coffee background as well, so I want to add my own picture. I go to uploads, and in here I select this Apple smartphone, and I just drop it inside it. And in the right side, so the background should match the black color, so it doesn't look bad. I'll just pull it back upward, keep this wording on the left side. All right, so this is it. All right, dragging this one a bit down and writing down the iPhone, in case it's an iPhone 12 or whatever it is. All right, so just make it simple. Always remember that's a pro tip. Use small, or not small, I mean big words, but in number the words should be, you know, less. There should be no more than 2 or 3 words, because people don't have time to read that much, you know, time that they don't have that much time to read, or, you know, kind of see what's written in the picture. So keep it simple as far. So when you're done with this, drag up and put the iPhone 12 anywhere in the section if you want, anywhere. So I'll keep it down here. I'll bring the iPhone 12 down here. So look, the black background, the picture, and this iPhone 12 all look amazing. This is the perfect, I believe, small, simple. Remember, simple is the best in making the YouTube thumbnail. So that way you're going to make a YouTube thumbnail. And finally, all you have to do, go to this option and download, and beside download you can see a drag down option. Click on it, and in here you can see an option called download, and go to the file selection and select in JPG. JPG is a good option to download, and when you click on download, that way your image is going to be prepared for downloading, and that way, and we're gonna open this image and see if it's downloaded. And look, boom, it's downloaded and it looks perfect, and you could use it in your YouTube thumbnail videos. So if you think this video helped you on how to make a free YouTube thumbnail and an attractive YouTube thumbnail, please make sure to leave a comment below. And if you think this video helped you, we'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.